warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all. Reporting from SMK Sri Tualang, this is Samsud News. We, the English Language Society, are dedicated to bring you fresh and informative updates.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the recent international news. International news: India makes history in ICC Women's World Cup triumph. On November 2nd, 2025, the Indian women's cricket team scripted a historic redemption story by lifting their maiden ICC Women's World Cup trophy in Navi Mumbai, easing the nation's heartbreak from the men's team loss in 2023. The 52nd run victory over South Africa was powered by an outstanding performance, including Shafali Verma's sparkling 87 and Deepti Sharma's all-round brilliance. The win was immediately hailed as a momentous occasion that inspired generations and marked the rise of a new era in Indian cricket.
Moving on to another significant national news. National news: KKR to implement external auditing for highway concession companies. The Ministry of Works, KKR, is expected to implement an external auditing system for highway concession companies starting early next year. This is a significant move to ensure that road maintenance work adheres to the highest standards. Minister of Works, Datuk Seri Alexander Lantalinggi, stated that this measure will involve every company responsible for road maintenance being periodically audited by external auditors rather than relying solely on internal audits by the Public Works Departments, JKKR, or the concession companies themselves. The decision aligns with the end of contracts for many concession companies next year, ensuring better accountability and quality of Malaysia's highway infrastructure.
Let's continue with the district news. The Carnival Permotoran 3.0 Temerloh, held on 9 November 2025 at Dataran Temerloh, drew an impressive crowd of nearly 50,000 visitors. The event was officiated by YB Dato' Razali Kasim, who represented the Menteri Besar of Pahang and featured over 70 vendor booths along with more than 100 local food traders. The strong turnout reflected active youth engagement and supported the state's Aspirasi Pahang First initiative, which focuses on empowering young people and promoting local entrepreneurship. Due to its outstanding success, the state government is expected to continue supporting the carnival in the coming years.
Next, let's dive deeper into school news. The Curricular Certificate Presentation ceremony for November 2025 was held to appreciate and recognize students' achievement across various curricular fields at the school, district, state, and national levels. This month's recipients include participants of the National Special Model School Camp, the ITF Taekwondo Championship, and the Lestari Leadership Camp, Madani Generation, with notable district-level achievements in Temerloh, such as third place in Invention, first and third place in Spogomi, and third place in the Digital Botanical Garden Competition. The Madani Generation Leadership Program acknowledged the participants of all involved students, while the National JPJ Cadet Jamboree recognized national-level involvement. Additional achievements include second place in the Young Journalist Competition at the Puteri Madani Carnival, Temerloh District, participation in the Shah Alam City Chess Championship at Dewan MBSA, and representation by SMK Kedah in the Liga 1000 Chess Championship, KBS Temerloh. This ceremony symbolized the school's appreciation of semester students' dedication and strong commitment in bringing honor to the school at various competitive levels.
As we conclude, we thank you for tuning into Samsud News. Your support drives us to deliver meaningful news that informs and inspires our community.
Stay informed, stay inspired with Samsud News.